Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add welcome bot to Discord. First of all, what you have to do is open Discord app on your PC or on your phone. I recommend you to do it on your PC. So after that, what you have to do is click on your server and then click on the drop down menu, which is on the top left corner. And then you'll be able to see a bunch of options where you have to select app directory. Click on it and then this page will open. From here, what you have to do is click on the search bar, which is on the top right corner, and search for ProBot. Hit enter and you will see different search results, how many search results. So what you have to do is find and click on this ProBot, which have stars in it, which is the purple icon. Click on it. And then what you have to do is click on add app on the right side. Click on add app and then you have to click on visit site. Then this page will open. From here, what you have to do, you have to select add to server. If you have multiple servers, you have to select the server in which you want to add this ProBot to. So you have to select the server and click on continue and then click on authorize. As you can see, this page has been opened. From this page, what you have to do is find welcome and goodbye. Click on it and then send a message when user joins the server. You have to turn on this option and then you have to send a message when a user joins the server. So you can type anything. For instance, I will type welcome, then I will give space, then I will input this, which means it will automatically convert this user button into the username. And after that, welcome, thanks for joining, and then you can input the server name. For instance, I will copy paste this, which means it will type as welcome. For instance, if your username is Adam, welcome Adam, thanks for joining, and this will be converted into my server's name. And click on save changes. Once you save changes, you have successfully added a welcome bot to Discord. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.